This is Oppo Reno 5Z smartphone, and today we would like to show how you can expand the random access memory amount on this device. So the first step that you need to take is to launch the settings. Next, enter the additional settings category. In here, go for the default, developer options section. At the developer options, at the pretty much very top part of the page, you want to go for the memory. In here, tap on the ROM expansion section and turn on this toggle in front of a ROM expansion. Choose for how much you would like to increase your memory exactly. So you can go for 2, 3, or 5 gigabytes respectively. And after you've made your decision, set the expansion amount to your liking. Simply reboot the smartphone in order for the changes that you just make to take effect. So we'll simply wait until our device gets restarted, and then we'll see whether we have successfully increased the random access memory amount. Alrighty, so I'll simply enter the PIN code for my SIM card, and next I'll try to find the About Phone section over here. In here, as you can see, at the RAM category of specifications for this device, you'll be able to find that in addition to the default 8 gigabytes, we have successfully added another 5 gigabytes of RAM. By the way, using the internal storage, of course. Alrighty, so that would be pretty much it for this video, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and bye-bye.